Hello viewers, today I've decided I want to insulate my printer, which is currently printing, but that's fine. So you can see here I've added duct tape to the inside of this, and the idea of this is it keeps the heat in this little area here, which is where the printer is, because printers need heat. So figured I need to do these top two panels, so I'm going to bring you along for the journey. I also need the scissors for this because duct tape is a nightmare to cut. I haven't learnt the skill yet of being able to just tear a piece of duct tape or bite it. I can't do either. So I like to rip off a good size and then sort of measure it up. You only have to do this once, really. Like, really estimate, because the rest you can just do otherwise. Now, I like to have mine. I'm gonna do it like this. Don't know why I dropped my scissors. I need them in a sec. Anyway. Obviously you're working with duct tape. It's a bit tricky, but it's okay. I just like to line it up here. And then we can just sort of go down. I don't like the noise it makes if you like run your finger down, so I'm just doing it this way instead. Now I like to use my nail to press it into this into the crevice here. You don't have to do that, obviously. You can just have a bit of just like tension it across, I guess. Doesn't make any sense. I'm not great at talking, alright?
Twitter updated its notification to the Pigeon Princess like breaking news. More like shaking news. That would dare even hurt. They're just milking it and clutching at straws like breaking news.
Thanks, Pigeon Princess.
That would dare even hurt.
I don't know if you can hear that, but my best friend just liked my bad pun tweet. It's convenient, isn't it? Doing well. So we've done one thing. Will that still close if I do this? To be honest, I don't think it's closed anyway. Does this one close well? Not really. Nope. I think I've done that a bit too big actually. So, ooh, bloody Norwich fell off. Nearly. I nearly fell off. Just lob the scissors down there. Keep the duct tape between your legs. I find it works quite nicely for me, at least. I'm trying to line these up so that it's sort of... I don't want to leave too much of a gap, but I don't want any light gaps in between, because I also have that little lamp in there which disturbs me when I'm sleeping because it's bloody bright. Oh, this isn't going to be clean no matter what I do, is it? I'm trying my hardest. There you go. It's worse if you don't line it up at the top properly. Also, this is horrible. Let me just redo this. There we go. Right. Good. Now we just do a bunch more. See, I like this new way of doing the channel, because I just get to monetize doing housework. And this isn't really housework, I'm just making it easy for myself to 3D print, but seeing as it is a business I run here, so it doesn't really hurt to do this on camera. It's a bit weird that Survive Alive is a channel of behind the scenes of the business, but it's also part of the business. There you go. These door panels always leak light onto my face, which is very inconvenient. I don't know how much tension I should really be putting on it, but... Oh, I've done that a bit big, haven't I? Okay, in that case we'll just cut sort of there, I guess. Quick tip for cutting duct tape. It's much easier if you make it real tense. And I don't mean like put dramatic music or whatever, I mean really like pull on the tape so that it a little bit short actually. It's fine. It'll work. Just about. Go. Ooh, almost cut my trousers. That worked. Oh, I keep like stabbing myself in the leg. Why don't I just put my stuff there? Scissors even. Why don't I just put my stuff on there? Vague. I like how I'm reaching forwards, as if it's like a real big struggle, when I could literally just be walking forwards. See, this is almost like one door complete, which is not half bad. Yeah. That was a good noise I made there. See, this is the most difficult one, is the very end. Because I'd really like to use one more bit of tape to go across here. But knowing my luck, it will be two. Also, this is definitely wider than it is up there. Whatever. Actually, it might just fit. Oh, if it does, it's going to be so close. Wait, is that the right length? Yep. Oh, this should be quite easy. Oh, well, it is up there, not down here. And then we'll use our little trick again of sort of going up with the thumbnail. There we go. Din, 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 din. And now, that is one cupboard. Done. Now this one. How are you getting on down there? Not bad. Just doing a few little knickknacks down there. I wanted to say thank you to a few people in the workplace. I'm printing off some like badges for them. But because there's text on them and it's really, really small, I have to print them quite large, otherwise they shan't show up. Ooh. No, it's fine. We'll just have it like there. I don't want to cover the magnet, you see. Yeah, it's as big as the magnet covered up, but it shouldn't matter too much. That's like a minuscule amount. I can't wait for all the comments saying, oh, there's an easier way you could have done this, but clearly we have different ways of thinking, and that's what sets us apart. You moron. Although seriously, if there is an easy way of doing this, let me know in the comments and make me feel bad about it myself for wasting a bunch of time. I was considering just printing off a bunch of like, you know how you can get those like Lego base plates that you stick all the Lego on? I was considering just printing off a bunch of those so that I could just like cover them all up, but I don't think that would measure properly. Because if you look at the size of that, that's 300 by 300 by 300 millimeters. It's a TiVo Tornado, so it's one of the largest print volumes for a standard FDM machine. Don't know what they call these actually, because they have like Delta printers, which are the ones really tall and they've got like 3 arms. Don't know what you call these. Probably gantry machines, I'd imagine, considering that they have a gantry. By the way, people, if you have something you want to see me print or try to print, then post a comment below. Tell me what to search in Thingiverse or My Mini Factory or whatever you want, and I'll see if I can make it happen. I'm gonna work out one of these days how to ship internationally so that I can like make stuff and give it out to people, because I'm that sort of person in it. Oh, for goodness sake. I'm like, there's a loud truck outside my window. This one almost went wrong. What is this? There's like a weird pattern there. Only there. Who is it? It's John Lewis. Whoever they are, they're a bloody noisy truck. I'm gonna Google it when I'm editing this video. And I'm gonna be like, oh, that's what a John Lewis is. And all the commenters are gonna get mad at me because I don't know what some famous, amazing company is. I'm making some serious progress on this though. Right, I reckon 2 more because this is not gonna fit. That's like wider than a duct tape. Oh, some of you printing boffins might be like, why are you printing so slowly? It's because you get much better quality if you print slowly. And I want quality. I mean, this is just annoying, isn't it? You know when your duct tape doesn't line up properly? Probably not. Unless one of you actually works with duct tape on a frequent basis. You know, duct tape can be used for a lot of things. Including insulating 3D printers. You can probably just insulate anything with duct tape. Enough layers of it. Miss Buster's tested it and you can stop a bullet with this stuff. Bit big, but it's okay. Gonna do it in a fast, I don't care, I just want to have this job done sort of way. I'm gonna have no problem getting a job.